go ahead and get our dry ingredients together for our garlic tomato bruschetta. We're going to need a kosher salt and ground pepper. Start off by getting a half a teaspoon of our kosher salt. Level it off in here and go ahead and pour it in. What we're going to do for this is go ahead and pour our dry ingredients straight into the bowl, because we're going to be using this bowl to mix everything else in. So why waste another container when you can go straight to the source? You save enough of these dishes. When it comes time to clean up, it won't be so bad. And now we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Just going to throw that in there. And then now we're going to go ahead and add our next step. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add our ingredients to our salt and pepper. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of our olive oil. Let's go ahead and pour that in there. If you cook enough, you can kind of eyeball what a 1/4 cup is, but if not, it's best to go ahead and make sure. Then go ahead and dump our tomatoes in there, our onions, our basil, and our garlic. Like I said earlier about saving dishes, you actually could have went ahead and pour all these into the bowl then, but I want to go ahead and give you a representation of what all the ingredients were. So now I'm going to go ahead and just stir this around. I'm going to mix this well, just toss it around. We don't want to actually destroy the ingredients, we're just evenly coating everything. At this point, we're also going to go ahead and mix up all of the seasoning we put in there, the salt and pepper. And there you go. All right, now that we have our tomatoes and onions and garlic and our seasoning mixed up, we're going to go ahead and take some of our cheese, some of our extra cheese we made, and put this in with the tomatoes. Now, this isn't a step you have to take, this is an extra step we're going to do. We're going to deviate from our original plan, and we're going to mix this up. Remember, if you had grated just enough cheese that you needed, then you can't do this step. So we're going to mix this up, and now what you want to do is you want to cover this and then put it in the fridge, for at least 1 hour. And after that, we're going to take it out and top our bread.